This is Life According to Bruno. The truth about food. Expiration dates. Is it all it's cracked up to be? Have you ever wondered if the expiration date is a dividing line between what's safe and what's unhealthy? The truth might surprise you. In this video, we'll unravel how these dates are defined and what they really mean for your health and your pantry. The expiration date is not just about safety, it also indicates quality. Many times, those products we throw away are still safe to consume. They just may have lost a bit of their best flavor or texture. Don't throw away food before it's time. Expiration dates are set by manufacturers, but are not always based on health risks. They generally indicate until when a food is at its best quality, but with minor exceptions, they do not mean that consuming it after that time is harmful. Manufacturers consider factors such as laboratory testing and apparent durability, but there is no universal standard. This is a key point to interpret labels more consciously and avoid unnecessary waste. Now that we know how they are determined, let's learn how to read labels. Use by refers to safety. Best before refers to flavor and quality. With this information, you can make more informed decisions. If the product looks and smells good after the expiration date, taste it before throwing it away. You could save food and money. If you find this topic interesting, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to create more educational and useful content for you. Throwing away food not only has an impact on the environment, it also affects our economy and wastes resources. Small actions, such as better understanding food dates, can contribute to a significant change on a global level. Reducing waste is our shared responsibility. From planning purchases to storing correctly, every step counts. Let's become agents of change. What will you do today to reduce waste? Share this video, comment your tips, and don't forget to check out the description. You'll find useful tools to understand more about this topic and ways to support us, like buying us a coffee. Will you join this movement for a more sustainable planet? Your contribution makes a difference. See you in the next video.